This is my Baldor, 1 horsepower, 1800 RPM, 1 phase, 115 volt buffer grinder. I've got the tool rests for it. I've got eye shields for it. I haven't installed them. I don't need them for this. And it has a phenomenal dust collection system on the back of this with a bag. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire up the grinder, and then I'm going to fire up the dust collector. And here we go for the dust collector is running a 1/2 horsepower Baldor motor, which is brand new. I replaced the existing motor when I picked it up. And that's it.